Hi guys, welcome to Algorithms Made Easy. Today we will be solving the question decoded string at index. So let's go to the question first. An encoded string S is given. To find and write a decoded string to the tape, the encoded string is read one character at a time and the following steps are taken. If the character read is a letter, then that letter is written onto the tape. If the character read is a digit, say D, the entire current tape is repeatedly written D-1 more times in total. So now for some encoded string S and an index K, find and return the kth letter, one index, that is the index starting from 1, in the decoded string. So if we see the example lead 2 code 3 k equal to 10, we get O at 10th index because the string becomes 2 times lead is repeated and then code, with code this string is repeated thrice. Let's look at the example in detail. The first digit that we encounter is at 5. So all the letters till 4 will be repeated twice. Then we get a digit at index 10. So everything before that we have, that is lead code, is repeated 3 times. And if we see the length can be found out by this 4 multiplied by 2 plus 4 again, and which is multiplied whole by 3, which gives us the length is 36. And this is indeed our string. Now, do we actually need to store the string? Because k can range from 1 to 10 raised to 9 and the string can go up to 2 raised to 36 characters, which will be a huge space, and so we would not want to do that. So how would we do it without using any space? Let's see. So we will start working backwards, reducing our string and k as we move ahead. Firstly, we start with 3. Here this is the 10th character and the character present at this position is 3. This means that the string was repeated 3 times, and thus we can get a smaller string by just dividing it by its length by 3 and taking only that much part. So now the reduced string would become Leetcode. With this, if we see E goes out of bounds, so we would also need to reduce K. So K would now become K mod the length of this new string, which is 15 mod 12 and which gives us 3. This becomes our reduced problem. So we need to find this E. With this, we move at 9th character, which is E. Now this 9 and this 3 are not equal. So this is not the character that we were finding. So we'll move one step backwards, and with that we will reduce the length of the string also, which will eliminate our E. Now the character is D and N is 8 and we need third character, so we move ahead and reduce the length. We keep doing so. Again, here we got 2 and our k is still smaller. So we would again break down this string and the string would become lead. The reduced k would remain the same as it is less than 4. Again, when we will reach the third letter, the string that would be left with us is LEE and k is 3, which matches the index that we wanted. And so what we do is we'll return E. This way we'll not need to store the string, but we can just work with the indices and the input that is given to us. Now that we know what we need to do, let's write some code for this approach. Okay, take a variable long size and initialize it to 0 and int n, which is equal to string.length. After this, we will find the size. So for each character in S, we check if it is a digit or not. If it is a digit, we will do size equal to size multiplied by the digit. Otherwise, we do size plus plus. So this will give us the size. So now we'll start from backwards and write a for loop. So now we'll be working on the character at this particular index. So let's take it handy. Now, if k becomes equal to 0 or k is equal to size and this character is a letter, we simply return this character. Return the character. What if it's not the end case? So if character is a digit we need to divide the length or size. So size equals to size divided by the digit. Else size minus minus. That is, we are just decreasing the size. So one more condition is that k becomes k mod size at every step. And at the end, return null just to be sure that the program runs. Just mark this. Okay, let's submit this code. And there it got submitted. The time complexity for this algorithm is O of n and the space complexity is O of 1. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.